Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Ktura Kay, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going to be doing a review on the new Morphe and Makeupshayla collaboration. They collabed on their new foundation. This is their new foundation. It's the Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation, medium to full coverage. And this is what it looks like. So we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that bell to be notified when I post new videos. If you're interested in seeing this review, let's get into it. Okay, so they did not have many shades in the browns and the chocolates or whatever. They did not have many shades in there. And your girl got lucky because this one shade was just sitting by itself, and it was like an empty spot here, empty spot here, empty spot here for the next colors up, and then like a few empty spots. I think it was like 2 empty spots on the next colors down. And then all of the lighter shades, so I think they were still there for the most part. So my melanin queens, y'all definitely wiped it out. But thank y'all for leaving this one for me because I feel like it was meant to be because it definitely ended up being my shade. So thank you. So yes, so like I said, I was really excited to get my hands on this, and we're just gonna go right ahead and get into the demo. I'm going to be showing you all how I apply it, and I'm going to do the rest of my makeup routine. This is going to be a cute, easy, natural look, perfect for a date night, perfect for a day on the town, perfect for a day in the park. Like, this is going to be your everyday look. This foundation was really great. It does not have a lot of coverage at first because I applied it with a beauty blender. So being that my skin is like clear, I don't have a lot of blemishes right now. So thank God, I pray I don't get any anytime soon. But I've been there before. So I use the beauty blender. But if I tend to go for more coverage, I like to use a stippling brush. So like I said, I used my beauty blender for this, and it applied flawlessly. And I went in with my Hydro Grip primer. This is a new primer that I've been using lately, and I really like it. It just really has a really good feel to it, and it's very hydrating like it says, and it's great for oily skin from what they say. So that's good. My skin is it's not too oily, but it can kind of be like a combination. So I applied that first and went to work with this foundation, and like I said, it applied flawlessly. So it claims to be a long-wearing, oil-free, natural finish foundation which hydrates the skin and blurs imperfections for the ultimate soft focused look. So it's infused with hyaluronic acid, skin smoothing moisture booster, vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, and glycerin, a hydrator for a healthy looking glow. This foundation was $20, so it's definitely very affordable, and I can't even lie. I'm not even gonna lie. I like it. I see a little bit of shine as I'm looking at it now. I've had it on for about close to 2.5 hours now, so I see the little shine, but like it says, it's supposed to have some type of shine to it because it has that glycerin in it. But I like that. I like it looking natural. I don't like too much of a really hard matte look. I love a nice natural glow, and then as you wear it, the longer you wear it, it's probably going to start glowing even more. So I think it's perfect. Hopefully it doesn't, but if you set it properly, you should be good. A little bit of glow is going to seep through, and I like that. So that's just me. That's my personal preference. So if you like a natural looking foundation, I definitely think that this is the one for you. I'm not even gonna lie, for $20 you really cannot beat that, and it went on, like I said, flawlessly, and it does not feel like I have on a lot of makeup. It's not cakey or anything like that, and I think part of that is because I applied it with a beauty blender as well. So like a stippling brush, you're going to get more product. Whereas with the beauty blender, it's going to distribute it out a little bit more. And it's not a beauty blender. I use just a regular sponge, a beauty sponge from DSMD. So, yes. So, we're going to get into the rest of the look. So, you are going to see everything of what I'm using. I'm using a few new products, like I said. So, hopefully you all enjoy the rest of the look. So, enjoy. So thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you all enjoyed this makeup look. Like I said, it's perfect for everyday date night, park date, dinner date, lunch date, brunch date. Any of that, like this look is perfect for. It's really nice, it's really easy, really simple, and really natural. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and that bell to be notified when I post new videos. So I will see you all in the next one. Bye.